Question is, how do you scale this business going forward? Well, my favorite thing is just do more of it and do better. That's it. Publish more books and publish better books. That will get you to 2 to 3 grand per month in this business by just repeating those two things. You don't need anything else. You don't need any fancy tools. You don't need anything. You just got to publish more books and better books. Later, you're going to learn how to master ads. You're going to follow the 37-90 rule, right? You're going to do ads. You're going to look at your ads for 30 minutes a day, 7 days a week for 90 days. When you do that, you'll master ads. I can guarantee it. And you're going to eventually build a small team of people, freelancers you can trust and you can count on to keep your business running. And then that is going to require you to build the most important thing in your business, your most important thing in scaling. It's systems, because systems is what helps you scale. This business, guys, it's simple and it's wonderful. There's no inventory, there's no shipping and handling, there's no customer service, there's no tech startups or headaches or anything like that. And that's what makes this business so good for beginners in 2026. You're gonna copy my method, my $200,000 method, for free. From these 12 books, I've made almost $200,000 using the exact thing that's inside the 3-day publish and profit challenge. I want you to use those lessons, publish books, and start making money with this to change your life as well.